The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade says 2 of 3 Jamaicans in Eswatini say they do not want to return to Jamaica at this time. The 3 Jamaicans were sent to the Kingdom of Eswatini as part of the United States' controversial third country deportation program. The ministry said it made contact with 2 of the men after an initial phone call by one of them and his attorney. The ministry said during the discussion with the men, they were advised of the government's readiness to help them return to Jamaica. But the men maintained they do not want to return. The ministry says it also couldn't determine the immigration status of the men in the USA. As for the third man, efforts are still being made to contact him through Jamaica's High Commission in South Africa. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs is encouraging Jamaicans in distress or those who require consular assistance while overseas to contact the nearest Jamaican embassy.